Will Bitcoin reach $100,000 in 2024? This is the burning question in the minds of crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. It's no secret that Bitcoin has been on quite a roller coaster ride. At the start of this year, it rallied an astounding 150%, kicking off 2024 at a whopping $45,000. The world of finance, often skeptical and conservative, has taken notice. Wall Street, the symbol of global finance, has welcomed Bitcoin into the fold, recognizing it as a legitimate asset class. It's a major nod from the traditional financial world, and a significant milestone in Bitcoin's journey towards mainstream acceptance. With this impressive start to the year, Bitcoin has set the stage for what could be a monumental year. So with Bitcoin's impressive start to the year, the $100,000 question remains. Will it or won't it? Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, were expected to significantly push up the price of Bitcoin. But did they? Spot Bitcoin ETFs, launched with much fanfare, were seen as the gateway to institutional acceptance of the cryptocurrency. Yet, the anticipated price surge did not materialize immediately as expected, leading to a fascinating evolution in the investment thesis. The anticipation around Bitcoin ETFs was based on the premise that they would provide a simplified, regulated path for traditional investors to venture into the crypto world. However, the reality proved to be different. The price of Bitcoin didn't skyrocket overnight. Instead, it reflected a more mature market, one that was not solely driven by speculation but by a deeper understanding of the asset's inherent value. This evolution in the investment thesis showed us that the crypto market is not a one-trick pony. It's a dynamic, evolving entity that responds to various factors. It's not just about new products or services. It's about the changing perception of investors, the understanding of Bitcoin's underlying technology, and the acceptance of its role in the broader financial ecosystem. Despite the unpredicted impact of Bitcoin ETFs, the crypto landscape continues to evolve and surprise us all. With ARK Invest suggesting a higher optimal Bitcoin allocation, could this lead to a $2.3 million price target for Bitcoin? Now that's a question worth pondering. ARK Invest's report has certainly stirred the waters, suggesting a whopping 19.4% optimal allocation of Bitcoin. Imagine if all investors allocated nearly 1/5 of their assets to Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency's value could skyrocket to unfathomable heights. But let's not forget another significant event that's on the horizon, the Bitcoin halving. Set to take place this coming April, this could be a game changer for Bitcoin's value. If we take a quick trip down memory lane, we'd find that previous halvings have led to substantial price rallies. This event essentially cuts the reward for mining Bitcoin in half, effectively reducing the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. It's a supply-demand phenomenon that has historically proven to increase Bitcoin's price. So whether it's the potential shift in asset allocation suggested by ARK Invest or the anticipated halving event, the stars seem to be aligning for Bitcoin. The question is, are we on the precipice of a major breakthrough? Could this halving be the catalyst to propel Bitcoin to, or even beyond, the $100,000 mark? As with all things crypto, only time will tell. As Bitcoin becomes more mainstream, will its notorious volatility decrease? This question lies at the heart of many investors' minds. Bitcoin, known for its wild price swings, could potentially see a decrease in volatility as it becomes more tightly correlated with traditional asset classes. Imagine a world where Bitcoin is just as commonplace as stocks and bonds. In this world, Bitcoin's price movement could begin to mimic that of these traditional assets, resulting in less aggressive price swings. This doesn't mean it would lose its potential for high returns, but rather its path to those returns might be less of a roller coaster ride. A more stable Bitcoin could potentially open the doors for more conservative investors who have previously been deterred by the cryptocurrency's volatility. It could also mean a more predictable and less stressful investment experience for current Bitcoin holders. However, it's important to remember that the crypto market is inherently unpredictable. Correlation with traditional assets could lead to stability, or it could simply introduce new dynamics that we can't yet foresee. Despite potential changes and the unpredictability of the crypto market, the bullish sentiment towards Bitcoin remains strong. So, will Bitcoin reach $100,000 in 2024? There are many factors to consider. We've seen Bitcoin's value rally to over 150%, standing at $45,000 at the start of the year. The impact of Bitcoin ETFs, though not immediate, is evolving the investment thesis. ARK Invest's prediction suggests a potential $2.3 million price target, considering a higher optimal Bitcoin allocation. The upcoming Bitcoin halving in April could unlock significant value, as seen in past rallies. As Bitcoin becomes more mainstream, its volatility may decrease, resulting in less aggressive price swings. Whether Bitcoin reaches $100,000 or not, one thing is certain: the world of cryptocurrency remains an exciting and unpredictable space. Stay tuned for more updates and discussions on the ever-evolving crypto